In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into your email. Calendly is an incredibly useful tool for streamlining the scheduling process, and by integrating it directly into your Gmail, you can make it even easier for others to book time with you. Whether you're managing meetings, coordinating with clients, or syncing with teammates, having your Calendly link accessible right inside your emails saves time and eliminates back and forth messages. If you're new to Calendly, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in and walk through the steps to set up this integration. First, open your web browser and head over to the Calendly homepage. To do this, type www.calendly.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the homepage with all the options you need to get started. Next, find and click the login button, which is prominently displayed on the homepage. This step is important because logging in gives you access to your Calendly dashboard where all your scheduling tools and integrations are located. Now, log into your account. You can either enter your email and password or choose the Continue with Google option. If you already use Google services like Gmail or Google Calendar, selecting Continue with Google is the faster and easier route because it links your Calendly account directly to your Google account. If you choose the Continue with Google option, you'll then see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Select the one that's best suited for your professional scheduling needs. This is important to ensure that any calendar invites or confirmations you send are tied to the correct email address. Once you've selected your account, you may be prompted to grant some permissions. For example, Calendly may request access to your Google Calendar and the ability to send emails. These permissions are necessary for the integration to work smoothly, as they allow Calendly to check your availability in real time and send booking confirmations on your behalf. Go ahead and approve these requests to continue. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. From here, navigate to the section for integrations and apps. This is where you'll find all the tools and services that can be connected to Calendly. Once you're in the integrations and apps section, use the search bar to look for Gmail. Typing Gmail will quickly bring up the relevant options. This step is crucial because it's how you enable the feature that allows your Calendly links to be embedded directly into your Gmail messages. When you see the Gmail for Workflows option appear, click on Connect Gmail. This will begin the process of linking your Gmail account to Calendly. At this point, you'll be asked to select the same Google account you used earlier. This step ensures that everything stays synchronized between your Calendly and Gmail accounts, so there's no confusion or overlap. After selecting your account, you'll see a prompt to confirm the connection between Calendly and Gmail. Click Continue to proceed. This tells Calendly that you're ready to authorize the integration. Next, complete the Google authorization process. This involves granting Calendly the necessary permissions to interact with your Gmail account. These permissions typically include allowing Calendly to send emails on your behalf and access your Google Calendar. It's important to allow these permissions so that your Calendly links work seamlessly within your emails and reflect your real-time availability. Once the integration is complete, it's time to test it out. Open Gmail and start composing a new email. You should now see an option to insert your Calendly link directly into the email. This is a game changer because it allows your email recipients to book a meeting with you in just a few clicks, without needing to email back and forth to find a time. Finally, to ensure the best experience for your recipients, remember to regularly update your availability in Calendly. This makes sure that anyone using your link sees the most accurate and up-to-date scheduling options. And that's it. You've just learned how to embed your Calendly link into your Gmail account, making scheduling easier and more efficient for both you and your recipients. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.